We're doing one of these professional instructional videos.
Okay, today we're going to show you how to change your spark plug on your portable generator. This is a portable generator that is a spark plug. To know the correct spark plug you need, please consult your owner's manual and find the exact plug it recommends or a suitable cross-reference, which is this. This is the NGK plug. Then you're going to need some tools. The generator is wrapped up, you must unwrap it. You must find the spark plug, which is right there. It's underneath a spark plug boot. And you have to just simply pull, and you can remove it. There are two different types of spark plug boots. They are resistor and non-resistor, but we won't get into that in this video. Now you must find your spark plug. Clean the surrounding area around the spark plug if dirty, so when removing the spark plug you do not get dirt down the cylinder. Now find the appropriate socket that fits on the spark plug. In this case it's a 13/16, or it might be a metric as well, but this works just fine. Install this on a ratchet. Place the ratchet in the spark plug socket over the spark plug and make sure it is seated appropriately. Now loosen the spark plug using the ratchet. Remove the ratchet and then replace the socket on the spark plug and unthread the spark plug from the cylinder head. Some of the spark plugs may have many threads, so you will be turning it for quite some time. This is the spark plug that we will be replacing. Compare your old spark plug with your new spark plug, and also make sure that the gap is correct on your new spark plug. Insert your new spark plug into your spark plug socket and hand thread the spark plug back in the hole, which is right there. Again, there are many threads on the spark plug, so don't be afraid if you are turning this excessively. Hand tighten until the spark plug is bottomed out in the hole. Then either attach your ratchet to this socket or take the socket out and attach the ratchet to it then. Now, when the tool is back together, slowly tighten the spark plug until it is snug in the cylinder head. Note, a new spark plug may take more turns because you're actually compressing this sealing ring. Now it's slightly tight. We're not going any further than that, and you can remove this, replace your spark plug boot on your spark plug with a firm click, and you are done. So this has been an instructional video by Generac, your #1 source for how-to videos on the internet.
Hello?
Yes, are you responding for the free consultation?
Yes, I need a free consultation, please. They just hang right up on me. It's like they don't even want to talk.
Press 1 now to speak to our qualification. You are currently caller number 14, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.